Hello and welcome to our video about the Turkish Defense Agency's new unmanned surface vessel, the ULAQ. ULAQ has upgraded features including its new configuration for anti-submarine warfare and locally made propulsion system. The Turkish military plans to make the ULAQ fully autonomous and equip it with an updated engine, 12.7mm remote-controlled weapon station, torpedoes, communication system, and sonar system. Developed by Ares Shipyard and Meteksan Defense, the ULAQ is Turkey's first unmanned surface vessel. It has a light, durable composite hull that can withstand harsh sea conditions and enhanced vision and navigation thanks to a LiDAR camera, radar, and an electro-optical system. The ULAQ can travel at speeds of up to 65 km per hour and has a range of up to 400 km. In addition to its ASW capabilities, the ULAQ is also equipped with a tactical missile control system, towed array sonar, and ASW rockets. Overall, the Turkish Defense Agency's ULAQ is a highly advanced unmanned surface vessel that is sure to make a big impact in the world of naval defense. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more updates on the ULAQ and other military technology.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.